Unraveling the Meanings of Engage, a Comprehensive Guide. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning channel. In today's episode, we're going to dive deep into a word that we use frequently in English, engage. This is a versatile word with a variety of meanings, and understanding how to use it correctly can really enhance your English skills. So, let's get started. The word, engage, is a verb, and at its most basic level, it means to attract or involve someone's attention or interest. For example, a good book can engage your attention, or a teacher may engage students in a lesson. Engage can also be used to talk about participation in activities or events. When you engage in something, you are actively taking part in it. For example, she engages in volunteer work on the weekends. They engaged in a heated discussion. In a mechanical context, engage can mean to cause a part of a machine to connect with another part, making it ready for use. For example, you need to engage the gears to start the car. In professional settings, engage might refer to hiring services or establishing a formal relationship. For instance, the company decided to engage a new lawyer. We are planning to engage with a new advertising agency. In social and relationship contexts, engage can mean to enter into a commitment, such as an engagement to be married. It can also refer to capturing someone's attention or interest in a social setting. John and Lisa recently got engaged. The speaker was able to engage the audience with his funny stories. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at the word, engage, and its various meanings and uses in English. We hope this video has helped clarify this versatile word for you, and we encourage you to start using it in your daily conversations and writing. Remember, the best way to learn and retain new vocabulary is by practicing regularly. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.